I would say all in all, a great job done, met all our expectations, very good communication, judicious cost control, which was obviously something that we were very concerned about. If we design a house again, we'll look for that. My name is Ben, 37 this year. This is my face. I guess it's considered Upper Bukit Timah. This is where our condo is at. It's called Meadow Lodge, yeah. So our condo is 3+1. It's about 20 years old. Our rental cost was about 110, excluding the furnishings, yeah. Over here, what we did was SETI integrated with a shoe cabinet. Firstly, Ben Eco, the request was to have like a place to sit down to wear the shoes, as well as a full-length mirror to check out the outfit before they leave the home. Over to here, here's the shoe cabinet, okay? Won't be opening up. The very nice over this is the curved cabinet. If you take a look over here, it's actually a curved door, We chose Ken and Emmanuel because we felt that they both brought together a very compatible skill set. It suited what we were looking for. I think they gave us a lot of good ideas. And this is a nice area that we like because it's a good space for me to display my figurines and my Lego sets. Originally, I wanted it to be a full class, but I think in the end, this turned out to be better. My wife and I, we both like green a lot. Very conventional. I mean, yeah, some people do it, but it's not that common. But we don't really care, we just like it, so we went for that. Yeah. So I think this was a very nice color. Puts a very nice touch. So you will see a lot of elements of green interspersed throughout the house. I would say I like the kitchen. I like this curved part because you can see the giant robot over there. It fits nicely. And I like my study as well because it's got nicer display cabinets for my figurine. Yes, I would say the whole process was very well managed. We were kept updated very frequently. In fact, we didn't really come visit the place very much. I would say all in all, a great job done, met all our expectations, very good communication. I think there was also good, judicious cost control, which was obviously something that we were very concerned about. And all I can say is, if we design a house again, we'll look for that. That's all I can say, yeah. Okay, so I suppose advice, I would say find someone that you can trust who can actually fix your problems and give you practical solutions rather than, say that, hey, this I cannot do, or, that I cannot do, this one is a problem. That's something that I think is important, and I think we had that with phonologists, which I appreciated.